Good morning, dear students. How are you? Dear students, today we are going to take up the matching for the alphabets K, L, M, N and O. Do you know what are we going to learn? We are going to learn their sounds and we are going to learn the vocabulary for them and also do the matching. So, let's get started with our work. You know, what do you call K? K is K. What is the sound of L? The sound of L is L. What is the sound of M? The sound of M is M. What is the sound of N? The sound of N is N. What is the sound of O? It is O. The sound of O is O. Now, let's get started. Now, dear students, let's get started with the matching. So, we have to match our alphabets with the related pictures. But before that, let's identify the pictures first. So, my first picture is L, lamp. Next picture is O, owl. Next picture is K, keys. Next picture is M, mail. Mail means the letters. Next picture is napkins. N, napkins. Paper napkins होते हैं ना जिससे हम अपने hands को clean करते हैं. Now, let's see the pictures on the other side. This is moon. The moon that we see at night. Next is K, king. Next is N, nails. Next is O, octopus. Next is L, ladybug. Now, it is a time for us to do the matching. So, let's get started with the matching. K. Let's identify the picture for K. K, keys. And K, king. Now, let's get started with the next one. L. L. L says L. L, lamp. Let's see the next word. L, ladybird. Let's see the next matching. That is M. M. M, mail. M, moon. Now the next matching, that is N. N is nail. N is napkin. Now let's see the last one, that is O. O is octopus and O is owl. So dear students, with this we have finished our matching. Now hooray! You are knowing how to do the matching also, and you also know the sounds of these alphabets. Thank you.